The first belly dance move I would like to show you is the horizontal hip slide. To do this one, what you're going to do is push your hip out to the side without doing anything with your knees, just the hip to the side. And the other side. And back and forth. I like to think of the little hula girls that stand on people's dashboards and how they move fluidly back and forth, like their hips are separate from their torso. Belly dance is about a lot of isolations, so this should just be your hips moving back and forth. Let's try to speed that up a little bit. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Fairly simple move to start with, but now let's add some variations to this move to make it a little more exciting. So the first thing I would like to show you is horizontal slides using doubles. So just like the name sounds, we're going to do twice on each side. So for instance, we will start on the right, pushing that hip out to the right, back to the center, and then to the right again. Now we'll go to the left and center, left and center. Again, right, center, right, center, left, center, left, center, right, center, right, center, left, center, left, center. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Very good. In a very similar sense, we can also do what we call single-single doubles, which is just what it sounds like. We will do a single hip slide, a single hip slide, and then a double. So let's start on the right. 1 right hip slide, then left, then 2 on the right, then left, right, and 2 on the left. Right, left, 2 rights. Left, right, 2 lefts. Right, left, 2 right. Left, right, 2 left. Right, left, 2 right. Left, right, 2 lefts. Great. Another variation we can do are triplets, in which we would just put a pause on the 4th count. So for instance, we will go right, left, right, pause, left, right, left, and pause. 1, 2, 3, 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 pause. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So to review very quickly, our horizontal hip slides are just our sliding and pushing the hip to one side and the other, and back and forth. We also did doubles, which are 2 on each side, and single doubles, and lastly we did triplets.